Scarminator.
Effective po yan, ginagamit ko din yan. Thank you for sharing, Junalyn. So, i-check natin yung ingredients, bakit nga ba siya effective. So, ayan, meron siyang salicylic acid. This is a beta-hydroxy acid which is oil-soluble, kaya it can penetrate skin and dissolve dead skin cells that clog pores. Itong tea tree extract, it is anti-inflammatory and has antimicrobial properties. And then, ayan, niacinamide. It can fade dark spots at saka nagbuboost ng collagen production. Same itong sa rosehip at saka jojoba oil. Ito yung mga nag-stimulate ng collagen production. And then we have here mandelic acid, which is a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid. It can also help fade scars. Tapos ayan, aloe vera gel, saka snail extracts. Ito yung mga soothing ingredients and nagsusoften existing scars. Glutathione, arbutin, eto, alam na natin, memorize na natin yan. It evens out and brightens skin. At syempre pa, yung mga kailangan ng skin natin, vitamin A, C, and E, at saka yan, yung collagen. So basically, Happilies, this is a combination of ingredients kung saan merong nag-help mag-remove ng dead materials from scarring tissue, and mga ingredients din naman that build new ones for skin regeneration.